Welcome back to Amateur's Adventures, everybody. So we got a special one for you. We are going to do a short unboxing and review of the Imalent LD70 flashlight. Me and Jay have been wanting to get some better lights for the channel so we can do some outdoor recording at night in the woods.
We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure.
And we're used to using like big flashlights like this one here. We got a couple of these. They produce anywhere from 500 to 1500 lumens, depending on which one it is. Now this one here, supposedly, let's see if we can take a look at that. It says 4,000 lumens maximum output. We figured we start with the basic Imalent flashlight, and we'll step up in the future to get some bigger ones because they're supposed to be pretty good. But I figured I'll open this up, and we got a special guest. We got Faith here. How you doing, baby girl? Yeah, you're a good girl. Yeah. All right, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We got our instruction manual, which that might come in handy. It's so tiny. This little guy can do 4,000 lumens compared to this big one here, which is probably roughly, I don't know, that one's weaker. That one's probably 500 or 700. But this little guy here, yeah, it can get pretty bright. Oh, we got film to take off. Don't want to melt that to the... Make sure you take that off. You don't want to melt... This thing will get hot. You don't want to melt that to the lens. There. Get it all off. Oh, there's a little piece still there. I'll grab that afterwards. Okay. But very basic. It's got a little screen here, I believe. Definitely have to read the instructions on how to use it, though. All right. So it's the LD70 Mini. Now, compared to a handheld big flashlight, you can see how, you see how big it is compared to my hand. But let's take a look at the user manual real quick here. The light is capable of producing 20 lumens as lowest settings in increments of 20 to 200, 900, 2,000 to 900. I'm guessing it steps down as it gets hotter, and then 4,000 to 900, which again probably steps down as it gets hotter. We'll be bringing it out in the woods later tonight, and we'll be testing this out. Operation instructions. I'm not going to read all that, but if you want to pause and take a look at all the different things you can do with it, you got that there. And this is the charger. That's really all that comes in the box too. It's a very nice little box for just the flashlight and the charger. But it looks like it just simply snaps right on. Oh, magnet on. Ooh, even cooler. All right, look at that. So super, super easy to charge. Just plug it in via USB, and you're good to go. Beaver Lake. The light that we're using right now is the big one that you saw next to the Imalent.
I think this is the one that you need though to light up a path this big going down here.
Where is this our entrance to our other one? No. Where's our...
Over
did we go past
here.
it?
It's over
here. I was
right
thinking...
there.
We've got some paths set up down here. something jumped in the water. Ah! Get it off me. Get it off me.
Get the breaker. Hold on. Okay.
The woods are trying to eat me.
There you go. I mean, we're doing a flashlight comparison here, so I have a number of flashlights.
Alright, so... We got any beavers out right now?
Negative.
No, no water movement, no beavers. I do hear something over there, though.
You know what? You're about to switch lights. Ready?
Yep. All right. So that you can see the, like I said, this is the light that we had on. No, it's sitting next to the.
The thing is, though, that light's brighter than the one that's in my hand right now.
All right. So we're gonna shut this light off and switch to another light.
I got this light,
Yeah, you can do the lights.
which is
Here, I'll use this to show what that light is.
flashlight. It's a Slide King. This was like $40.
Nifty little flashlight.
It has this. You could do change color, do strobe on it. It's a nifty little light. I thought it was super bright, but it runs off of a single 18650 cell. I mean, it definitely puts out enough light, and it's zoomable, which I like. So if you need to flood an area for filming,
I'll say that was the zoom function there.
yeah, for filming. Oh, your camera lost. Let's give it a spot to zoom on. Okay,
There we go.
There we go. There we go. I just won't focus out as much. There you go. So you could flood out an area and light up everything around you. Nice little flashlight. Like I said, it's like $40.
So then we also have, here, you can take the one on my arm here. No, take that one. And we're going to switch over to this guy. Put that on.
Which this is, I voted. This is a Job Smart. It's an older one. This one,
So 15 or 1600 lumens, I think it was.
this is actually, yeah, it's 1800, I think.
Maybe 1800.
So
Oh,
let's,
it does say on top.
2800.
2800, okay.
So this is an HID spotlight. So I'm going to unplug the one in Sean's hand, plug this one in, and I'm going to swap with you this time because you're going to run the big boy. Here we go.
All right, so now, now we got to let this one actually stay on for a minute because it actually gets brighter with time.
Yeah, it's an HID bulb. It's got to heat up.
But you can see it lights up pretty good, even as it's warming up.
And it is a super precise, super bright white beam. The issue with this light, though, is it's a spotlight. I don't know if you can tell how pinpointed that point of light is.
Oh, yeah.
But it's basically it's a spotlight. I like floodlights.
It does. If I pull the camera off of it, you can still see a decent bit around it. But off to the left there, you can see how much brighter it is towards the center. But if you want to light something up, this will do it.
Believe it or not, that's a $30 light.
This is only $30, yeah. All right, so now we will
Now
switch.
I will let you get the big boy, and
Well,
to keep
actually,
the area
it's the little boy.
to keep the area lit up for us. Then you could show off that one compared to everything.
All right, so now we got the LD70, and we have it locked because we didn't want it actually turning on in our pocket. So to unlock it, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get the
Show's
unlock,
unlocked.
and then you just
You run it.
press it once to turn it on. Now that should be the lowest setting, right?
Yes.
All right, so this is the lowest setting,
Which I
and
think is like 200 lumens. It says on the thing 20. But
yeah, but it actually lights up pretty good.
It really does.
And
it should run for about 27 hours like that. I'll give you a spot to
focus on.
focus your
There
camera.
we go.
There you go.
All right.
Okay, now I'll get rid of that spot.
All right, so now it was what, double or just press it once to increase? Oh no, once. Oh, once is just okay.
That's full.
Oh, that's the turbo, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is the brightest setting. Wow. Okay. Your camera over there, your camera over there is probably picking this up really well.
Oh yeah.
Now let's see how long it takes. It's starting to get dimmer. A little bit, but not much. Wow. You can see everything.
That is insane.
So if there's any animals out there, it's definitely gonna give us some eye shine back.
Ah, you got a duck right there.
Hey, ducky.
You see it?
Yeah.
The mallard is right there, so we found where they live. They live
right in the
that
center.
hole.
Yeah, we got a couple ducks down here we've been observing. We've got
them up with the ridiculously bright light.
it's starting to get a little warm even in the back end.
Oh yeah, wow.
It hasn't gotten that much dimmer though.
Slightly toasty. Yeah. Double tap it again and see if it gets super bright again. Oh, that's strobe.
Right, does have
There it
strobe.
is.
Oh, it went back to full bright again.
Yep.
Ooh, it's getting real warm. It's getting toasty. All right, we're gonna turn that off. We're gonna go back to minimum there. See if it'll cool down on minimum. Yeah, feel that light now. Even the back end. Yeah.
Yeah, that came up a bit in temperature there. Need a focus. There you go. Oh, it doesn't want. There it goes.
Yeah, it takes a second.
I was gonna say she doesn't like that. Get right out of focus again. You need a bright object to keep your light or your thing in focus. So that's how you make it bright.
You hold
press
it.
and hold.
Yeah,
Okay.
press and hold to turn to make it brighter. So let's try this setting. Maybe it'll cool down. It might just stay the same temperature. It's pretty hot in my hand though.
Still pretty bright.
It is. It's not having to keep refocusing with this brightness.
Nope. If you want an area light, I'll set this up for you. This can be our area lighting right here. There, how's that?
I am super impressed.
I am too.
And this is only 4,000 lumens. Well, the turbo setting's 4,000 lumens. They make like 100,000 lumens, 120,000 lumen.
80,000 to 120,000.
We'll pick those up at some point. They're expensive as heck though. That's why we started cheap with this one. You can pick this one up. It's on sale for 60 bucks on Amazon right now.
The next step up is a
I think it was $200.
8,000 lumen, and it is $120. But the thing that we found about that one that we didn't like is that one only runs at 8,000 lumens for like 30 seconds, remember?
Yep.
And the fan comes on and it just immediately ramps down.
Right, right. I don't like the idea that there's no fan. Like this one is so small they couldn't really cram a fan into it. But
I mean, that is
at this setting, I'm still holding the light. It's still hotter than heck, but
yeah, look at all the insects you're attracting too.
well, let's take a little walk and see how it is just walking through the woods here. You see how I got this?
Yep. You're just going off that. So.
Yep. This is just off the Imalent.
I have mine in case I need to do little bursts, but
This is great for filming.
you are the one that is leading the way. I can actually see really well from back here too.
And this is the second setting, which I think was it 900?
You know. Okay, now I'm
The flashlight is still getting warmer.
I'm completely inundated. Oh, my beam's on too. Let me shut mine off. If I could find the switch, because I am carrying everything.
I can carry something.
Okay, here. Carry my tripod. And my flashlight.
I got it.
Okay. I had to get my finger out of it. Now I got this one still.
Let's see if we can find Mr. Beaver up here. So a little makeshift bridge, which Jay fell off of earlier.
Hey now. I went across the other makeshift bridge.
It's definitely a lot sturdier now.
It looks it.
Oh, maybe not.
No, it is. You just made it even better. Okay? because you collapse that. So
Yep.
it's definitely sturdier now. Okay, I turn my beam back off.
Mr. Beaver over here. Okay, I need to take the tripod for a second. Whew, that's getting hot.
Might be time to put that one down and switch lights.
Well, we're trying to showcase this one.
Yeah,
So
but
I'm
that
just,
one's getting too
I'm
hot
just
on
switching
your
hands. Switching hands, that's all. It was just getting too hot in that one spot. Okay, I can take it now. I got the light. Okay. But this is actually the beaver hut right here. Let's see if we can see the entrance to the beaver hut. No, it's real murky. We can't really see. The entrance is right there in the water. He goes right underneath the ground, right into the hut.
Don't mind me, I'm just looking for eye shine in the distance.
Yep.
Just in case we have some unwanted friends.
Bear have been spotted around here.
We have bears, we have coyote, we have
Fisher cats.
fisher cats, we have what do they call those? Bobcats. We have bobcats.
And Mr. Beaver over here right now. There's another dam that he's got set up.
That is a very well performing light, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh yeah. I'm not gonna lie, it gets really hot.
You wear gloves with it.
Yeah.
Maybe an oven mitt.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put my hoodie here and take the tripod. Oh, your phone's still in the tripod.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it.
You're gonna use the tripod.
No, I'm gonna put my hand inside my hoodie.
Why were you looking at the tripod?
No, I was looking at. I heard a sound over there. So I was looking. Okay, there we go. Let's get that better. Even better. There we go. All right. Let's do this. This works really well. There's another little bridge we made. We are working on making a bridge over the water here, because we want to get to the other side. You know, for how hot this has gotten, it hasn't dimmed any.
No. Oh, it won't. It won't dim until the battery starts cooling up. Well, at least that's what the directions say.
You can see some of the beaver chewing here. He's got another dam over here. We can't really see it that well. Let me see if I can go over here and see it. Let's see, right in there. You can't really see it. It's right in front of that log there. We'll just go up to the field up here. Try to shine the light in the field just to get a wider view of it.
Yeah, it's lighting up
Yeah.
that field already.
Let's see, it'll still turbo. Yep, it'll still turbo. Damn.
Oh yeah.
All right, that concludes our review. I'd say it's a pretty damn good flashlight.
I'd say it's a really damn good flashlight.
Definitely recommend it. Just wear a glove.
An oven mitt, preferably.
All right. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
Peace.